Hello everyone, I'm Mary Rose Corrigan, Public Health Specialist for the City of Dubuque with an April 17, 2020 COVID-19 update from the Dubuque County Public Health Incident Management Team. 3 new cases were added to Dubuque County's total since Wednesday. As of April 17th, Dubuque County has 40 positive COVID-19 cases, 1 in the 0 to 17 age group, 6 in the 18 to 40 age group, 22 in the 41 to 60 age group, which is still the largest group affected, 10 in the 61 to 80 age group, and 1 that is over 80. Dubuque County has no long-term care facility or worksite outbreaks. The state added 191 positive cases today for a total of 2,332. Unfortunately, 13% of positive cases and 45% of deaths are from residents of long-term care facilities in Iowa. I'm also sorry to report 4 additional deaths in the state for a total of 64. 183 cases are currently hospitalized and 1,007, or 46% of Iowans, have recovered. Today, Governor Kim Reynolds and the Iowa Department of Education announced that all school districts and non-public schools will be closed for the remainder of the school year and will continue to offer continuous learning. This also includes the cancellation of spring sporting activities. The governor also waived the requirement that schools start no earlier than August 23rd, which allows schools to make local decisions about the length of their 2020-21 academic year. Yesterday, Governor Kim Reynolds added new provisions to Iowa's mitigation strategies, specifically for Region 6, which is where Dubuque is. The order prohibits social, community, recreational, leisure, and sports gatherings of non-household members, with a very few limited allowances for religious services, weddings, and funerals. And remember that religious services and funerals continue to be limited to no more than 10 people present. The prohibition doesn't apply to the provision of child care, medical care, or other necessary supports to another person. The order does not apply to employment and volunteer activities. Outdoor activity and exercise is still allowed, but only with members of your household. For example, you cannot walk or jog with your neighbor. You can still visit a park, but with your own household members. You cannot meet friends at a park for activities. You can golf with members of your household or by yourself. 6-foot distancing needs to be maintained during these activities from other households engaged in similar activities. So what and where is Region 6? And what is determining the governor's proclamation with additional mitigation measures? Iowa's new website, coronavirus.iowa.gov, shows a lot of new detailed COVID-19 information and a map that the data and metrics the governor and Iowa Department of Public Health are utilizing to determine ongoing regional mitigation strategies. So you're probably wondering why the governor's new social distancing measures apply to all of Region 6, including Dubuque County, when we have no long-term care outbreaks or worksite outbreaks. The question's a logical one. The regions are the way the Iowa Department of Public Health is gathering data, and the regions are set up based on the number of hospital beds, hospitals, healthcare providers, etc., which is also used for the surge purposes. My prediction, it's probably only a matter of time before Dubuque has our own outbreak of some kind. But we're working with a lot of people, businesses, and nursing homes to prevent that from happening. Maybe the governor's doing Dubuque a favor by adding more community mitigation. Between yesterday and today, we've received some pretty significant life-changing measures now put into place. Between schools being closed for the rest of the year, along with all their extracurricular activities being canceled, and now having only our family or household members to associate with in our free time. Those are big adjustments for all of us. Don't get me wrong, I love the people I live with, which are my immediate family members, but we're all going to have to make a conscious effort to be kind to each other and not to get on each other's nerves. I'm just saying. Maybe it would be a good idea to schedule some alone time while you're at home. Even a walk outside by yourself will do everyone in the household good. So that's your pep talk for the weekend. Thanks for tuning in today. Let's all continue to be safe, be smart. When in doubt, don't go out. And remember, we're all in this together.